Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download songs from Spotify. So let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your device and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Once you are inside, locate the music you want to download. You can do this by tapping on the search button and browsing for songs or playlists. It's a good idea to create a playlist with all the songs you want to download. To do that, find a song. Tap on the three dots next to it. Select Add to Playlist, and then tap New Playlist. Give your playlist a name. For example, Downloaded Music, and tap Create. This will open your new playlist. Add a few more songs if needed. Now go to your library by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Your new playlist will appear at the top. Tap on it. To download, you must have Spotify Premium, which is a paid subscription. In the UK, it costs around £10 to £15 monthly. Once subscribed, open the playlist, tap the three dots, and choose Download, or simply tap the downward arrow icon. When the arrow turns green, your songs are successfully downloaded and ready to play offline. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.